Okay, in this problem, we are going to use the compound interest formula. So it asks us to represent this situation. If we invest $4,200 at a rate of 2.8%, so that's an important number, that's an important number, and it's compounded quarterly. That's also an important number. What does it mean to be compounded quarterly? Well, that means that on the money that you invest, interest is paid to you 4 times per year because it's compounded quarterly. Like there are 4 quarters in a dollar, right? Okay, so this means, well, that we need to label these numbers with the correct variables so we can plug them in. So let's do this. We have a P for principal. So we'll say that P is equal to, the principal is the amount that you invest to start with. So that's 4,200, 4,200. The next number we have is the interest rate, and that is R for rate. So R will equal 2.8%, but I have to make that a decimal instead of a percent. I do this by moving the decimal 2 places to the left and getting that R is equal to 0.028. Next, I need to figure out what quarterly, or 4, we know this means 4, which letter it goes with. Well, that's just the N here. Do you see the N? That's where we'll put the number 4. So in our formula, N is equal to 4 with these numbers. Now we just go ahead and plug them in. So I'm going to copy things down. A stays A, so we'll keep it there in blue. A is going to be equal to, and now I'm plugging in, P is 4,200, so instead of P I'm going to write 4,200. Our parentheses don't change, so we can keep them blue. The number 1 doesn't change. That always stays the same. And now I need to plug in for R, which changes, so we'll put it as green. It's 0.028 divided by N, and our N is 4. And then raised to the N times T power. Well, we know that N is 4. And we weren't given an amount of time. That remains our variable, so we'll keep that T blue because we don't change it or plug anything in for T. So our formula will be this. A is equal to 4,200 times 1 plus this fraction to the 4t power. I hope this is helpful.